Okay, so this is from Wednesday. So I did ride Monday too. I had a little hack, but not much really happened. I just went on a hack and cantered up a hill. But this is Wednesday now, and this is a jumping day. And me and my friend decided to match with the red and the orange, because I had two different sets of kind of things. So we did that, and it's so far going so good. But he's being really lazy. Like, I'm actually trying so hard to get him going. And I'll just let you get back to watching, and I'll jump in here and there.
To the outside, or are you just getting their nose to the inside? You gotta feel what their bodies are doing. Are there oh my God, are there inside hind legs coming up under you? Inside hind leg come under you a bit more. Their neck, from ears to tail should be one smooth bend, like a parenthesis, not a straight bump. I thought it was real, and then it looked so fake and felt so hard. I thought it was one of those little wooden eggs from the camp games. Wait till you're outside me. Do not have a look on Good. Let's change direction somewhere. Think about your bend. As soon as the sun came out, I got hot real fast. I was like wearing a sweatshirt most of the day, and then the sun came out. I was like, I'm a baby killer. Baby killer. Wow, that is like a lot. Good. Good, Pepper. I like it because it says on the schedule. Because I told him about it. Hey! Hey! Casey, get away. Casey, take the chicken. Casey, get the food away. They're fighting over your chicken nuggets. Whoa! That was a big jump like that. Let's go. Yeah. I'm not fighting over chicken. She doesn't fight those good barks. We found that out. No, man.
Does she look like she...
If you're wondering why I'm doing so many cuts right here, it's because my dad's filming. That's one reason. And he was going really slow, so he makes everything look like it's taking hours to get to the other side of the ring. So that's why I'm only going to one side, and it's just easier that way. And I had a really good day this day, and I'll let you guys continue watching. So I have to talk about this here. So we're about to pick up the canter, and one thing that I've gotten way better with in literally the few days I've been trying to ride him, or I have been riding him, but I rush him into the canter. So I don't give him no warning beforehand. I don't even try bending him before I canter. I just rush him, which is not good at all, because as you can see right there, we just went into chicken run and he was falling in. And that can easily trip him. That can easily make us both get hurt. So then this up here, I finally was trying to just bend him a little bit before going, because it's like I only want to think about cantering, not everything else involved. But then I got it, and it was really pretty. And he had an amazing canter this day. And I'm just going to let y'all continue watching, because it was such a good canter.
Yep. Hit the mounting block. You're getting a little bit tight in your hips. Hip it. There. Good. And down to trot. Bend in.
No need to miss one, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Good. Good. Bending. Yep. Half up and then outside ready to sit, Pepper. Maintain a rhythm. Anything else? So if they're not forward with rhythm, they can't be on the eggs, they can't bend. Good. Let them walk a second, give them a little breather.
Okay, so here's when we kind of started jumping. It was mainly just trot, like a trot pole, really. And of course, I'm freaking out a little bit because the last time I jumped, I had a very scary moment. So I really didn't want to deal with that. But I went and did it anyways. And it was fun though. I really did like doing that though. It was really nice. Because I don't know, it just felt fun to do that, but then also scary. Because he was actually going way faster. I wasn't even asking him. Like, my trainer was saying good job for having him moving, but I was just thinking, oh, I didn't even ask him. But I'm going to just let y'all continue watching because it gets better and there's also something else that happens towards the end.
Come on. I am trying. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Grab your strap. Good girl. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Nice. Got your lead. Keep going. Well, okay. I broke. We won't talk about it. Open your shoulders. Keep going. This won't be in the edit. Keep going. Won't be in the edit.
Oh, it'll be there.
Stick your belly up. Stick your belly up. Stick your belly up. Grab your strap. Ah! So I don't think he. Outside range. Outside range. Oh my. Oh my. I don't know. You let him walk. You feel like he's going forward? Nope. Okay. You're doing it. Alright. I saved myself. Well, if you were going forward, you wouldn't have had to work so hard to get over the jump. Gate. There's the gate. That's not the gate. You gotta get your eyes on the gate when you're over the officer.
Do it.
Here, I'm coming behind you, Emma.
Okay.
Or in front, actually in front.
Okay.
Yeah. Turn. Outside range. Outside range. Outside range. Outside range. Outside range. Go.
You can do it, girlfriend.
Oh my God, Julia. Go.
Give her a big
Go
squeeze.
somewhere.
If she doesn't listen, give her a big kick.
Go, go, go.
And tell her trust. Mia's like the opposite, so that's why this is a bit of a challenge for you, but I promise it's good for you.
Praise the Lord.
Go ahead, girl.
Good girl. Go with him. Sit up. Sit back. Sit up. Sit back. Move the gas. Up. See the gas pedal. Put your boots up. Where are they? They're not left. Your next jump.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I was still on his neck.
You have better body control than this. I know it. I've seen it.
I do.
Yeah. Come on.
My nerves are to the head brain.
Stick your boots out.
I'll stick with it. Go.
Stick your boots out. Boots up. Feet down. Boots up. Feet down. Feet on your feet. Where's the gas pedal?
Right, stick on my feet.
Yeah.
Sit up. Aren't you posting so much slower than
Boots up. Boots up. Boots up. Yes. There you go.
Which one do I go to now?
Over here. All right. Boobs up, feet down. Boobs up, feet down. Boobs up, feet down. There you go. That was cute. Good job.
All right, so let's ask you.
That one I went with more confidence. So I'm like,
I never.
never go first.
Okay, well, girl, you gotta let me out. If you don't want to go out the way of the barrel. Golly. Come on, forwardness. Forward. Let's stop here so
come
you
on,
can actually
guys.
watch.
You gotta make a good turn.
Forward.
There were some
Coming. More trot, please. Look like you were going somewhere. Push your boobs up, feet down. There you go. Get him over there. He'll go. You gotta go. Grab your strap. Good boy. Oh! No.
boy.
My butt hurts.
So good, you just lost your balance.
Go forward so he doesn't feel like he has to jump so big. He won't jump like that if you're going somewhere. It's like must clear barrel. Must clear barrel. Come on. Come on. There you go. Keep going. Get up. Atta girl. Look at that. I almost fell off a tree. No, you didn't. You sat up. You thought about falling and then you sat your butt right up. So you can do it. Hey.
Okay, so this video right here was from Friday, but I'm just going to use it as my explanation for the fall. So what happened is I forgot about pushing my feet down over the jump, as I am still very new to jumping. I mean, not jumping big-ish, but new to like just having the confidence fully. And I went over the jump. It was beautiful, but it's the fact I lost the balance over and I was holding onto the crap strap way too long and it jerked me out of the tack and I fell off. But you always get back up and you always do it again, and I did it again and it ended well. And now I'm going to go to my Lease day one now. Here's my Lease day one. Right now I'm kicking him a lot because I want him to go. And then I'm just going to let y'all enjoy this, and I'm going to pop in here and there, maybe. So, see you in a second.
No. I'm balancing yourself right now.
Myles. Sorry, Lydia.
No, you're good. That wasn't you, that was him.
Yeah.
Okay, so right here to help with my core strength, I decided to do up, up, downs, and then I do them all the way till I get to 4 up, ups, because I kind of forgot about it afterwards, because I was going to do it the other way, but then I completely forgot about it. So we're not going to talk about it. I was also going to go do down, down, ups, but I forgot about it. So I'm just going to try and do it next weekend, or ask to do it in a lesson. But he was pretty good. I was trying to keep him bent while doing it, and also forward, because I guess it was really just my body regular posting that was keeping him bent and go forward. But then I finally got him to do it, and we were good. And there's my friend. Our horses don't like each other, so we tried our best to keep away from each other. But I'm just gonna let you enjoy the rest of the video.
I'm done now. Is that horse always that hyper?
Yeah.
Braille.
So here's me cantering. Oh, and my trainer is getting Yanni. I think, no, she already got him from the back, but he was being crazy as a horse at my barn. But anyways, I went for the canter, and he was really good. As you can see, he actually looks very strong and powerful when he did that transition. And I just realized that, yes, it was fast, but I didn't really think it was strong. But I just realized he looked really strong. He wasn't really strong. He was just really fast, which I didn't mind. I was going to deal with it. But then again, if I want to do hunters, that can't be the way. Oh, anyways. He was really good today. He listened to all my cues. Besides going one way, he kept getting really strong on a long side. Stronger than I could really handle. You'll see it later. But he was amazing. He was doing good. I was also working on myself because, like, I tend to let my heels kind of just flop forward, not go in, not go down in the canter. So, working on that. But otherwise, this was beautiful. And this was such a good clip. Like, props to my mom for filming. Love you, Mom. And then I think I go to draw at some point, but you'll see it. And I'm just going to let you enjoy more of the video because I already kind of just explained most of it.
Take a little walk break. We're gonna get a pole.
I know, I was like, please don't let go of her. Yeah. And he was doing a good job. She tried to take him up the hill though when I was getting the audience. He's like trying to climb behind her.
This easily has to be one of the best canters I have gone out of him in a little while. And he looks like he's genuinely enjoying himself. I'm enjoying myself. And in this clip too, I also do no hands cantering and no hands trotting, which was actually really fun. And I also did buckle. Right there I had him on the buckle, but then he got strong. So then I had to pull him into a circle just so that way I could just, get him to focus more on me, not what's in front of him. Because his friend was at the other end of the arena. So he was trying to go to him, but I didn't want him to because I didn't want him to get too flat and then him causing himself to trip. But then I think I did the no hands. Yep, I did one hand first, and then I did no hands because I was on the buckle. And then I did no hands right here. And it was actually genuinely so much fun. But I really don't have much more besides all this. But I do canter some poles in a little bit too. And those went okay. I will say they went okay. Anyways, I'm going to let you enjoy the rest. So, have fun.
You're doing good. That's awesome. Yay.
Actually, I lied to you. I'm gonna canter it again because I'm not gonna lose all my contact. So I always drop all my contacts right before the jump or hold.
This was one of the best walk decanters I've ever had, but of course, I was being blinded. I thought he was on the wrong lead. He was not, so I accidentally brought him back from doing the correct thing, thinking he did the wrong thing. But he didn't. I was just, I don't know, being paranoid, I guess. So we went back down and did it again. He was really good about it, though. He was fine. He was actually amazing for going back to walk that quickly, though. I admire him for that. And then we cantered the poles this way a little bit, and they went okay. So I'll just let you enjoy the last little bit, or actually, no, I'm going to speak my piece real quick. I am really sorry for not posting at all these past few weeks. It's just that I haven't had really much videos to do that. And here's the first poll. That was actually awful. Wow. But yeah, I didn't have time to do much, but I am sorry for that. So here's this one, and this will be kind of my good, bye little audio thing. So hope you enjoy the rest of the video, because it kind of is coming to an end. But I am really thankful for all of y'all, and have a good day.
That was better.